How's it going, everyone? In this video I want to talk about 4 different trades I took today. One of them was a trade on the futures pre-market, and the other ones were trades during market open on options. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click the thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to start by saying this has been a really good day for me. I've had 0 losing trades today. Every trade I've taken did exactly what I wanted it to do. So let's start with pre-market on ES. This is a super simple strategy. I'm going to leave the link to the video below. Logged into my computer this morning, pulled up my charts. First thing I seen was we was below this prior day close, what we closed at the day before, and we was into a downtrend on the 5-minute time frame. So we're trending down. For those of you that followed me for a while, you know exactly what I'm looking for in these downtrend entries. You don't want to chase these big moves down like you see here. You want to wait for it to come back up, make this lower high. That's where you should take your entry short and profit to the downside. That's exactly what I did here. I went short. Took the move back down. My final price target was a break below this. Worked out perfectly. I'm up nearly 2,500 on the morning just trading futures alone. Okay, have 2 separate accounts. If you don't have a futures trading account, check out Apex below. That's a funded futures trading account company. I really like them. Be sure you follow the rules. Okay, now SPY. Took 2 trades on SPY today. I missed my top setup, the exact setup I was watching for, the exact reject level I was watching for from a pre-market game plan. I missed it, but I did catch a nice bounce, and I did catch an entry on puts. I called the puts entry out live inside Team Bull. People did really well off of it. First off, let's talk about the bounce I took. Very simple bounce. This 398 to 397.8 area was the area I was watching for calls. I want to see this pull down. So I took it off. It was this candle here, caught my entry, and just took the move back up. Very nice trade. This was my biggest trade of the day as far as options trade goes. Now this was the area I was watching for puts. I missed my entry because I was in another trade, and I will cover that trade right after I show you where we took puts inside Team Bull. So we had this huge move down after hitting my reject area. Nearly, like 20 cents, 15 cents off from my reject area. Anyways, pushed down, we pulled back. I took puts off this candle here, and we caught this move down here. The contracts exploded off this move. I'm not for sure, but I think the IV may increase a little on them puts as well, helping to increase the premium. Now, these levels were just simple support and resistance levels. Nothing crazy here. Honestly, probably one of the most simple trading strategies there is. Both of these, this was just that 400.23. If you look at SPX, that's that 4015 area that's been acting as a resistance. And this 398 is a simple support. Very basic stuff. Again, check out my videos to learn how to trade them strategies. Okay, this was the trade I was in that made me miss my SPY reject. That's why I only focus on very few setups, very few stocks. I tend to only focus on SPY, SPX, okay? For some reason, I took a look at NFLX. Seemed we had relative strength. Was pulling back this flag pattern here. Just let me draw that out quickly. He's flagging out on the 5-minute. We pulled back down, retested that area. And I took my trade right here. Got in this trade. I called this one out inside Team Bull as well. Some people took this with me. We grabbed calls and we took the move up to a break above high of day. We got out most of our position here. I had a few runners that hit my stop loss, which was set at my entry price on the trade. But yeah, that's my recap of the day. If you have any more in-depth questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you next time.